Hello, my name is Adam Garonce and welcome to this week's episode of the Susan and Mo team presents Adam Garonce's Fun with Real Estate. Please welcome back to Fun with Real Estate, Thomas Watson from Guardsman Insurance Services. Thomas, the last time you were here we discussed why home insurance is needed and what the insurance companies want to know. Today we are going to dive deeper into these insurance issues. What type of issues can a house have that may impact or affect a homeowner's ability to obtain insurance?
The biggest one's the type of heat for a house. Oil heat is a little bit more difficult to insure. A good insurance broker can make sure that that's still able to be obtained at a reasonable rate. And recently, the next biggest thing that's becoming an issue for home insurance is private lenders on a mortgage. A lot of the major insurance companies no longer want to deal with people who have private lenders. And again, that's where a good insurance broker is going to help you find a company that can work with that and make sure that you can still get insured. Outside of that, the only other major problem would be if the house has a history of claims or a history of poor maintenance.
If a homeowner is planning on doing renovations, do they need to contact their insurance company?
I always recommend that you contact your insurance broker anytime you're looking to do a renovation to your house. A lot of times policies have limitations and exclusions that need to be modified or removed if you're going to be doing renovations. Additionally, if you're doing a large renovation, like finishing a basement, that changes what we need to insure. So we need to know what you're doing, preferably before you start doing it, to make sure you're properly protected throughout the entire process.
Okay. Would the same thing apply if you're doing like an addition or anything?
Absolutely. If you're doing an addition, we definitely need to know. Additions are not covered under home insurance. Generally, you will need special insurance to be able to do the build and make sure you're protected while you're building the addition.
Okay, makes sense. Now switching gears just a little bit, if somebody owns a condo, is there additional coverage that they can get to help cover themselves in case there is an increase in condo fees?
We can't insure against the increase in condo fees, but we do have something called loss assessment coverage, which is if the condo itself has a large claim and it then assesses the unit holders to cover their deductible, coverage is available for that. Okay, that is standard in all condo policies, and again, talking to your insurance broker, they can explain to you how that coverage will work, what will cause it to be triggered, and how we can go about making sure that works for you.
Perfect. Thomas, we really appreciate your expertise and we much appreciate you coming in today. Stay tuned next week for another fun-filled episode.